Yo, what's going on, guys? It's your boy Lenny. Welcome back to the channel. We're here with Thomas.
Yeah, what's up? Thomas My Shop here. You know, I'm mobile. We're over here at my cousin's house. You know, we're over here, you know, doing some body work, doing some wrap jobs.
I see you, I see you.
Yeah, put in some work.
Right on, yep. Got the STI and the Accord over there. Yeah.
And the Corolla.
We're wrapping this thing today?
Yeah.
That
man.
white?
No, don't. He did that shit. Don't look at that.
Yeah.
Hey, don't worry about it. Don't expose me.
We just took off Mindy's white.
Oh, really?
Over there. Yeah, we're taking it off.
Also, it's blue now.
It is blue now, with carbon.
Oh, cool.
This is sick. I think I've seen this thing around too.
He just bought it, man.
Really?
Yeah, it's manual.
Must have seen this thing around though.
Yeah, it's very
Lacey. Yeah, definitely. Only 15%. Only 15% of IS300s ever made were manual. Or no, it's 10%. It's 10%.
Yeah, dude.
Yeah. So, ooh.
But it's high mileage AF, you know?
You know, just swap a motor.
Yeah.
Cool. Alright, we primered some of this, getting it prepped and ready. We don't really care about the headlights and stuff. These are all going to be replaced. But yeah, we're going to wrap in this white and just doing some body work because there's some dips and stuff. Trunk as well. But yeah, Thomas's mod shop, you know.
Nervous laugh.
Also, guys, this is Carlos's car. This is the man himself. Say hi.
What up, bro?
But yeah, this thing's sick. I like it. But yeah, we're gonna go ahead and get going. We gotta go drop off those wheels still. Alrighty, guys, we are back at the house here. So time to get rid of this stack of all these tires here and wheels. We're just gonna take those straight back over to Raphael's place and then drop them off so we don't have to have them here anymore. It's kind of nice having them in case I need to do anything to the car, but I don't think I use them enough, and we could just leave them on jacks and jack stands anyway, so it'll be okay. Yeah, but yeah, let's get this thing loaded up. Got the Forester here as well, and Eric. Shout out to the mans. And then, yeah, let's just get it done. So I realized after I left yesterday that I'd forgotten to pack the camera. So after we picked up the wheels from the house, we drove them over to Raphael's, and I picked up something that I haven't seen for about 2.5 years now. I dropped this thing off at Raphael's place a long time ago, but we're actually going to put this to use finally because I have some really grand ideas. They might take a little bit to put into motion, but I'll just show you guys. Here we have the GT wing that I bought for the Accord a long time ago, and yeah, it's kind of short right now. So the plan with this thing is to make new end plates, of course, because they have like the weird, I want the really aggressive long ones, so that'll be cool. And then we have to cut the wing straight in half, so we're gonna have to extend this by about 5 to 6 inches just to make the end plates there match up with the body lines of the wide bodies, so they'll be just as wide. So we'll have to measure out exactly how long the deck is and then exactly how long it is between the two fender flares, and then we can extend this plate or this deck all the way, and yeah, we'll be good to go. Then we'll just have to make chassis mount stands and then chassis mount this bitch, but it'll be so primo. I can't wait to start working on it, but I don't know when I'll have the time to do that yet, so keep that in mind. But yeah, that is another project on my mind now that I have it here in the house. Also, right now we're about to go pick up that wheel bearing for the Accord here. So it's this passenger tire here that if you hold at 10 and 12, or sorry, 12 and 6, which is just straight up and down, and you start shaking it, it is very loose, so I believe that is a very big issue, and I don't want to be driving on it for longer than I have to. So today we're going to do that, as well as the rear camber arms. So let's get today going. Let's hit AutoZone first, and then we got to go back to the shop, get those banners printed, get them onto the car, and then start working on the rear suspension. So let's go.
What are those?
What are what?
Oh, your car's locked.
Ha! Get wrecked, kid.
What, are those like necklaces?
Oh yeah, we got the Junction Produce stuff, as well as this.
What's that? Junction Produce missions. Are you a what's it called? You're on your missions today?
Missionary? No. Get out of here.
I respect that.
Just picked up a brand new wheel bearing here from Autozone. Here it is. Boom. Brand new. Pretty prime. So we'll go ahead and get that installed tonight. But for now, we have to wait till Eric gets off work so we can use his quick jack system. It'll make life a lot easier. I've got to figure out what kind of socket I need. I believe it's anywhere from a 32 to a 36, but I don't know if I have those, so we'll have to see if we have to go out and find one. And then I don't know if I'll need an impact at all, so I'll ask Thomas to bring his over. Even though it is an electric impact, it should help do the trick. We'll see. And then of course we've got the torque wrench and all of that, so we'll just torque everything to spec. I just also need to pick up either a punch or a little chisel so that we can get the punched like metal piece in there as well. So yeah, that's all we have to do today. So we're gonna head over to the shop for now, and then we'll be out of here. We are out here at the shop again. This is, if you guys remember from the last video where we left off, got most of the wrap off. We're gonna go take this thing for a cruise later and see if anybody gives us shit for having a half-wrapped car. So good. Of course, we got the Accord out here today. This is Marcus's 350. This thing's pretty sick. He's got the dual titanium exhaust, full carbon fenders. This is kind of the style I want to go for. I want to do these vented things up here in the front. So we'll have to go ahead and figure out how to do that. At some point, we're going to probably just pop off the fenders and get that done like that. But oh, it looks so good. I like it. Yeah. But yeah, getting back into the shop today. We're just going to be filming a little bit, and then hopefully we can get some things cut out. So I'm watching Tony start up his vlog right now. Very entertaining. But yeah, we're gonna start on this front fender here now, and then probably get the doors done today as well. And then I leave tomorrow, so won't be around for a lot of the other wrapping. But I'll be back here again soon, hopefully, so we'll see what's up, definitely. But I am enjoying my time in the shop so far. So empty right now. I'm also sitting on one of these mechanic stools. Yeah.
Alright, we're done.
No pop-pops.
No pop-ups.
Where are the pop-pops at? Nope, still no pop-pops.
I don't know how to do it. Mindy knows how.
You just gotta let it off. Pop. Hello. God damn.
Why is she so thick?
Why are they all so thick, bruh? Oh.
Let's be a little bit more careful.
Good, bruh?
Yeah.
Alright, man. There's the Accord. God damn. Oh, there he is. Look at that thing. God
Oh,
damn.
that hood though.
That's all I'm saying. That carbon is full carbon. It's just like this one, but it's vented. I like it. I like it. I kind of want to do that for mine. I've been looking at the Saban one, the Terminator style hood. I can't get myself enough money to do it yet, so that's not gonna happen until a little bit. But yo, it's Tui. What's up? What's good, bro? Nice to finally meet you. We've been on what, Snap for a while.
Yeah.
For sure. This is your Civic.
Yes, sir.
Fuck yeah, dude. What? What's up? What you got?
Let her out.
Good? Oh, air out. Go for it. Yeah, man. This thing is sick.
Yeah, it's got a little scratches.
Did you just get the hood, or have you had it for a little bit?
Yeah.
Nice. Looking clean, bro. Really like your splitter too. Sick.
I'm about to get a new bumper.
New bumper?
I'm getting a 350, so I can just start building this.
Oh, right on daily?
Yeah.
Oh shit. Drift slide.
I'm gonna put a turbo kit. Oh, thank you, sir.
What's up? Yo, guys. This is Tanner. He just pulled up. Yo, what's good, dude?
No way.
How's it going?
What is up?
Tanner, right?
Tanner.
Yo, guys, this is Tanner. He's got an Accord as well. He came out here from Puyallup down to Lacey just to check out the Accord and come kick it with us at Kingston Auto Styling. You guys already know. Yo, yeah. There it is. Yo, we're finna go take some rollers of the bag WRX here. With all the tape flying off, all of this stuff. So. It'll be fun. Oh yeah? Some rattly.
Not anymore.
What'd you put down there?
Don't worry about
A
it.
penny?
This one is shit.
How's that going?
This is a bitch.
I know.
This sucks.
This side hasn't been baking as long, I guess.
I
Oh, the wrap. Ooh, all this is easy. Nice. That's what you guys want. Just let it bake in the sun for a little bit. It'll come right off. Woohoo! Alrighty, so we are not in the shop right now. We are actually at Eric's place. There's the men's himself. We're at Eric's shop. We've got the quick jacks down, and today I think we're gonna just focus on wheel bearing because that is the issue currently, and I don't want to take more time than I have to today, and then we can do the rear camber arms at some point in the future. So those shouldn't be as long as this process. I don't have all the necessary tools probably, but we'll see, and hopefully this all works out. But yeah, we're just gonna go ahead and get started right now, and then hopefully that'll solve one of the issues with the wheel shaking, my steering wheel shaking when I'm driving too. So we'll see what's up. Alright, so the caliper is off. Both the brake pads and the caliper are off. We're going to keep that there. We've got the rotor off as well. And now we're just working on this center cap. We're using a chisel here and a rubber mallet to get this thing off. We're just working our way all the way around, and then that'll be perfect. And then we can pop this off. Maybe even now. Maybe not. Got to go around some more, and then we can hit that nut, and then we can just replace this. And we have a brand new one right here, all ready to go. Of course, my spacer's there as well. So yeah, it's gonna look good, guys. Just like that, we've got the cover off. It was really simple, actually. It's a little cover that we got off with the crowbar. Just kind of a little pry, and then it's good. Now we just gotta use the chisel here, punch this out, and then we can get this. Hopefully this is the right one that I bought. Let's check actually. So this is the 36 that I bought. It might be a 32. I hope it's, fuck, we got the wrong one. So we're gonna have to go ahead and return this and get the correct one. We made it. It's 8:53 still. And so we picked up a 33, 34, and a 32. And then we have to return this tomorrow. But
guess it's the 32, right?
I think it's a 32. Let's see. Oh yeah! Got him. Alright, so this piece was seized onto here, and we had to hit it with heat to get that out. And look at the other side here. So yeah, that was all screwed up. So this is what we want it to look like, and we're about to shove this one in. Hopefully this makes the difference. Let's go ahead and install it. Should be easy. Just slide it on. Or maybe not. We've slapped the caliper back on, and The spacer's back on. I think we're good to go. Let's go ahead and put this wheel on and see if the wheel shake is still there at 10 and 2 or 12 and I keep saying that 12 and 6, and if it is, well, then the wheel bearing didn't fix it, but it was seized on there, so I'm pretty sure that was a problem. This is a heavy ass wheel, holy shit. Alrighty. Unfortunately, it's still moving. Oh, that's fucked, bro. This car is giving me so many problems. I don't even know what it is at this point. Maybe we'll try the camera arms tomorrow, see what's up, or not tomorrow, but that's so fucked.
It's a good thing you replaced it though, because
wheel bearing is pretty fucked anyway. You guys saw it. It's seized. This one's all. It came off in 3 pieces. So here's another one, and then here's the 4th piece or 3rd piece there. So that was supposed to sit there, and this one on top just doesn't want to do it. It doesn't want to do it. So, oh well. It is what it is. We'll get more stuff for next time, and we'll see what's up. That will be it for today, guys. If you guys enjoyed this video, make sure you give it a thumbs up. Subscribe if you haven't already. Hit that notification bell so you know the next time I drop a video, which will be pretty soon here. And I will catch you guys in the next one. Peace!